you guys looking to make better thumbnails, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, how I get one image and place it on top of another. And also, it's absolutely free. That's the beautiful part about it. Y'all stay tuned. I'll show you exactly how to do it. All right, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Envy Fishing. I make fishing videos, but I do want to start also making these type of videos that I'm trying to help anybody make a YouTube channel. You guys are definitely gonna need to learn how to make thumbnails. All right, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is download Davinci Resolve if you don't already have it. It's absolutely free. You can get a paid version, but everything that I'm using and everything that I'm about to show you is absolutely free. I don't have the premium version, so everything that I'm about to show you is absolutely free. Let's go ahead and click on it. Let's open it up. Of course, I already have it downloaded. Usually 9 times out of 10, I'm going to click on thumbnails because I have things already set up a certain way that I like it. But since you guys are brand new, let's go ahead and start a new project. We'll call it thumbnail project. You can download that if you want. It'll just download in the background, or you can skip it. It doesn't really matter. But all right, let's go to edit. All right, you guys, how you guys import a video is you go to import, you go to media. All right, and then you click to whichever image you want. I'm going to use this one just for reference. And I'm going to use a laptop, and I'm going to grab a still from one of my videos. All right, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a still from a video. Okay, let's go through the video and let's just play it and let's see exactly what I want. All right, and let's say I want to be looking at the laptop. Okay, so I want to get an image where I'm kind of looking off to the side right there. All right, perfect. The easiest way that I know is you're going to go to color, right click it, grab still, and it comes right here. And then you're going to export it, right? And then you're going to JPEG. And then I'm going to put it on I want it to go there, right? And it's going to be, I'll just call it a still. All right, export. You're going to go back to your edit page. You can go to file, import, media, and there it is. There's the still. Slide it over here. Now, the reason I'm saying that is you can do it like this, right? And if you click this little square right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of all this little black stuff, because of course you don't want it to look like this. That doesn't look good at all. That's some whack quality right there. But for whatever reason, let's say you click it over to the side, it's going to keep moving my face. And if I have something cropped out the way I wanted it, it's not going to come out good. So what you want to do is you want to grab the still. I don't need this anymore. I can delete it. And then bring the still down. All right, you guys, really quick, whatever's on top, whatever's on the bottom right here, this is going to be on top. So if, for instance, if you just push these arrows, it's going to put it right back. You're not going to be able to see anything that's on top because it's basically like paper. So the paper that's on top is bigger than the paper on bottom, then you're not going to see what's on bottom. So you just got to go to the side right here and make your image smaller. Okay, and this is whack. I'm going to show you exactly how to crop everything out to make it look good. What you want to do is go to your Fusion. Make sure this is clicked and on top. It has to be the top picture. Go to Fusion right here. Click the Fusion button. Right. Okay. And then you're going to go to this little, I believe it's called polygon. Not the really sad face. It looks like a really sad face. Not the sad face, the really sad face. And then from here, you just make sure that it's clicked, the polygon, and you're going to zoom in. The way you zoom in is you hold your control, and if your mouse has the little scroller so you can scroll up and down, you hold control and you point your arrow exactly where you want to zoom in, and you just click, and let's say you want to go over here. Let's say, okay, you zoomed in too much and you want to go over here. Go on the opposite side and scroll out. Scroll down, and it'll help you, and it'll have you scroll out. And then you just scroll back in where you do, and you're just going to outline your drawing. Whatever you want to show, right? That's what you're going to put in here. So you're going to click. So if I scroll up, it's going to scroll up. If I scroll down, it's going to scroll down. But if I'm holding control, it's going to, and I scroll up, it's going to zoom in. And if I scroll down, it's going to zoom out. All right. That's something that you guys really, really need to have on here. It makes it a lot easier. Like if you're really nitpicky, you can zoom in and really get close to this. And you can grab these little squares and you can move it like that. Right there. All right. No, this one needs to be a little bit right there. All right. And this right here. All right. And then you can scroll all the way to the top. Most people don't have to do this. Just if you're really nitpicky. If you make a mistake, like let's say I want to bring it out a little bit more over here, and I don't want to do the whole thing of messing with this and with this, all you have to do is push control, hold the control, and then push Z. Every now and then, another thing, a huge pointer, guys, control S, guys. Control S is going to save your progress, because for whatever reason, any software that you have will shut down, and it's a pain in the butt, guys. It's a pain in the butt if you've done so much work and you forgot to save it, and it kicks you out, man. That's like a huge pain in the butt, guys. So control S is something that will, trust me, guys, constantly push control S. And the way you know when to push it especially is this thing right now. It's telling you that you should probably push it, right? Because you did something new. But if you're doing a lot of work, you're going to see this thing turn yellow and red. And all that means is you should probably really consider saving it, just because you've done so much work already. And if it crashes or it shuts down, and it's not just Davinci Resolve, all software that uses to edit will shut down, guys. But that's just a pro tip, guys. Just save your work. And all you got to do when you're finished is just connect to the last box that you want. And then you're going to say, well, nothing happened. It's still there. What you got to do is click on this box and connect it right here. And bam. All right, now let's go to the edit page. And there it is, guys. Look at that thing, a thing of beauty. Okay, now let's say I want to grab this image and put it in there, right? So what you're gonna do is go back to color page, grab still, grab this. Yeah, then you're gonna go to export, thumbnail, nail. All right, export. Go back to your edit page, file, import, media. This one right here, bam. All right, now what I want to do is I want to put this image in here, right? So I'm going to bring it right here. That's the image that's on top. If I shrink it, you'll see that it's on top. And I'm going to make it seem like I'm looking at myself. Bam, damn, it don't get any better than that, guys. And that's how it's going to give the illusion that I'm looking at my thumbnail. All right, you guys be creative on what you want to do. And let's say you want to write something on top, right? You just want to go to title, and you just need a basic text. And let's just say you want to put, again, lay it on top of each other. All right, whatever's on top is what's going to show. So you want to click on title, go right here, how to make a thumbnail. All right. And then click on here. You can click on this box right here, move it to wherever you want. Let's say right here. Let's say you want to add some color to it. Let's say you want to make it red, right? Right there. Okay, and then you can scroll over here. Okay. You can scroll over here, and let's say your drop shadow. You want to offset it just a little bit, just so it can really stand out. And this is to blur, to really blur it, or if you bring it all the way down, it'll make it really, well, not blurred at all. And what this will do, well, it'll make it really fade out or completely stand out. I want it right there. How to make a thumbnail. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And or let's say you want the background, right? You want it to stand out. Hold on. Height. And then width. You can just do this, adjust that, and let's say you don't want it black. Let's say you want it blue, just to make it stand out. You guys can get creative, man. You guys can completely go creative on it. Change the color, the outline of it. You guys just go crazy on it, man. And there you go. That's exactly how you want it. And okay, me, for instance, this is gonna bother me, like the fact that this doesn't look like this. So again, what you want to do is, okay, yeah, it's all said and done. That's exactly how I want it. So I'll go right here, right click. I'm sorry. I'll go to color, right click, grab still, export, TN, thumbnail, export, edit, file, import media. So if you are going to put it like in an image or whatever you're going to end up doing, you probably want to do it with the finished product already. Okay, click on this one. Let's put it so this way it'll fit into the laptop. There we go. Okay, and then you can grab this still if you want. Color, grab still. The reason I keep grabbing stills is because look at, I don't know if you can see in this one, this right here isn't on this one. So the more you grab the still, the more it's gonna keep putting it. And again, you don't even have to do this, guys. That's just me being really nitpicky. But then you can see it that it keeps going down, 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 down. You guys don't have to do all that, man. You guys really don't want to. Again, control save. Look at this, guys. Look at this yellow. If it shuts down, I lost all that progress. Export it is the exact same way you've been seeing me do it. Is you want to grab the still, right click it, export, and then put, like me, I'll put the thumbnail for YouTube. All right, export. This way I know exactly which one I want to use. And that's pretty much it, guys. All right, hopefully this video helped you guys. If you guys have any comments, any questions, man, drop them down in the comment section. I'll answer any questions that you guys have. I do like doing these videos because I do like helping people out, especially like at Davinci Resolve. If you guys download it, man, I do all my videos on there. I edit all my videos on there. If you guys don't have it, man, I strongly recommend you guys have it, and it's absolutely free, man. And there's no watermarks, no nothing like that. It's not gonna come out. I'm not sponsored by them, so I have no reason to tell you guys, oh yeah, they're great, and they're really not. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. So hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, man. Love y'all. God bless. To the next